Hello friends, welcome in my YouTube channel Incredible India. In this video, I am explaining about Google My Business. So don't wasting the time, let's start the video. Google My Business GMB, formerly known as Google Place for Business, offer company a fantastic opportunity to appear in Google search result. But the best thing about creating a Google My Business listing is that it's free. Business provide you with the ability to list your business location on Google Map and local search result. You can display important information about your business, including the opening, closing time, contact detail, or a link to your website. More recently, Google has also released a new feature allowing you to post a link to article or up and coming event. More about that later. The listing is free, but should be regarding a necessity by all business. If your business is an online business and you don't have a physical shop, then you should still consider having a Google My Business page. Setting up your Google My Business listing is one of the simplest and most effective way of setting your business up to be found online. More and more search queries are becoming geographically, especially, and Google algorithm have been developed to consider user intent. You have probably done a Google search at some point, such as place to eat near me. If so, then you notice the Google return a list of 3 locations where you can eat based on your current location. The 3 businesses that have shown a result of your search query have a GMB page and one step closer to attracting you as a customer. If these place to eat did not have GMB page, then they would not have shown. Think about this is content your business, whatever product or service you may be selling. How can local searches benefit your business, and you might be missing out on without one. After you have set up and claim a GMB page for your business, the next step is to be make sure optimized and you have filled in all the important information. You should aim to include as much information as possible on your GMB listing as possible. When your people have done their search and found your business in a search result, their next step would be click on your business to find out the more information such as contact detail and direction. The way people search in changing and information need to be accessible instantly. If you have set an accurate business address, then it wouldn't be easy for people to physically find you. If your business isn't easy to find, then people will go somewhere it is as simple as that. This is online environmental businesses must non-complete in. So make sure your business is taking advantage of the way people are searching online. Don't let him hinder your ability to attract new customers. Take a time to write a good description to all add your listing and try make to local and possible where you can so it more relevant to the user. The description is used or overview about what your business does, and keyword related to your business can be used here. Your GMB description can be up to 750 character, but it worthwhile getting the most relevant information in first few sentences. They try to include 2 you can attract more keyword that by describe your business or best. Your GMB profile. The content will show in Google search on map result. The add a post, all you have to do is go to your GMB account and create a new post. You will be able to upload an image, write up to 300 words of text or an event title, which should include the start and date. There is then an option to add a call to action with a variety of buttons chosen, including learn more, reverse, sign up, buy and get offer. The post option gives a great flexibility to promote event, share your content and promote your product to service, highlighting when you are running a special offer. The post will last of 7 days before you will be need to replace it with a new post. Google will email you as reminder to do this. The screenshot of innovation visual GMB page here show how we should the post feature to promote our Google retail and shopping live stream event. As you can see, a clear date and time is shown alongside a clear call to action to sign up. If you have set a Google My Business but haven't you yet used the post feature, then hopefully you now know enough to give it a go. Reminder to keep an eye on your post as a appear that Google post expire after 7 days of posting them, meaning you have to update them weekly. Event can be listed for longer and automatically expire on the day of event, which is handy. As a February 2020, you can now add up to 10 photos or videos to Google Post. This means you can do even more to elevate your post and stand out from the competition. Image and video can help tell a story, and the ability to add multiple images and definitely benefit e-commerce businesses as it will be help you add multiple images of product. You may have also added core image such as exterior, interior of your business, your logo, your team, but you shouldn't stop there. Post image as much you can. This will be show Google you are active, or it will be favor you when it come to showing your higher in map or local search result. If you want to rank higher in search and map result, then collect review. Review act as a real world signal of what people actually think about business and are a key factor when it comes ranking in local search. Not only this, but they act as social proof to your potential customer and help them make a decision on whether to do business with you or not. The best way to collect review to ask for them. Seek out customer who you know what is being satisfied with your product or service. To make it easier to collect review, set up a template email, but make sure you personalize it where possible before you send. Whether good or bad, make sure you respond to all reviews so your customer make you are serious about them and their experience with your business. This will be also help other customer build trust in you as a brand. Knowledge and thanks customer who leave a good review as it show a level of engagement as the post purchase stage. Finally, you can use your review as a opportunity to get better as a business. Learn what people like and what they didn't like. Improve upon. Review a variable data to a business. Thanks for watching my video. Those who are new in my YouTube channel, please subscribe my channel Incredible India and press bell icon for new video notification.